Hey guys, it's Mike Walks here, and I'm just being threatened by a giant bird. Look at him, he's walking right up close to me. He must think I got some food or something. Look at that magnificent beast. What is that? Hello, mister. Mister, what are you, a bloody turkey or something? Hello. Look, I cannot believe how close he's coming. But unfortunately I've got no food for you, mate. But yeah, if any of you guys know what species of bird that is, I'd love to know. And put it in the comments down below. And yeah. It looks like it's got the head of a dinosaur. And look how close he's coming. All right. See you, mate.